gon' bust it for the team, or what? Let my ass bitch on scene, for what? You gon' drop it to your knees, or what? Make it clap, make it look.
Hey moos, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Danyel, Anyssa. I do beauty, lifestyle, and more. And if you enjoy that, please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, so for today's video is gonna be about me decorating for fall. So I'm pretty excited. I'm like so hyped. I want to decorate my room already. On the 22nd will be like official fall. So I'm trying to be but I have this candle. My mom got me a while back. It's this little skull one. I have this in my room, just like little decorations I have that I didn't really use last year. And then I got these pumpkins I got last year from the dog from Target. So there's just green and this white one. So I'll probably just put it like in the pumpkin there. And then for my vanity, I'm gonna just put a pumpkin there, and then I'll put my skull candle right there. And then for up here, all my little holiday light decor. And I'll have, okay, so I just put the fall leaves. I'll show you more onto my little cube thing right there. I have some more lights to put on there. I have these little pumpkin ones I got. These are from Target. So they're really pretty. They have little pumpkins, and these you can have them on a timer, and that's pretty cool. So I finally put the pumpkin. They look so cute. Oh, it's a little turned down. Okay, there you go. But yeah, I put the pumpkins. I took out the plant and I put this on here. Cuddle weather little moment. And right here I have my blanket like this, and I have white pillows. So I'm gonna put my pumpkin, one I found at Target for $10, guys. This is so cute. So I don't have a really like a fall blanket or a pillow, my bad, but I'll just add a little blanket like that. And if you haven't watched my little haul, I did put some little pumpkins on my little basket thing. So next door I put a little pumpkin. So I'm gonna show y'all. This is what it looks like over here. super cute. And have my lights. And then up here, they'll be a little bit fixed better. I'll fix them later. But yeah, I have that. My little pumpkin, flowers, and little candle. My little pumpkin, my candle. And that's pretty much it for fall. I decorated my room. It looks super, super cute. I'm in love. So yeah guys, that is it for my fall decor in my room. Something a little special. I might decorate little things here and there maybe later on, but for now this is mainly what I'm going to have on my room. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, like the video, and if you have any more fall ideas you want me to do, I'll definitely do them. This is the first 2020 fall kind of video I can start doing. I'm really excited. Halloween time we will film me with the pumpkin wreaths, hot cocoa, and everything. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy. I want to go to sleep now, but I don't. But I'm in love with my room. It's so cute. If I find more Halloween things, I'll let y'all know, and I'll probably put more around things, little things around. But that is it for my video today guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I'll see y'all next time. Bye!